Looking for a more intelligent and efficient way to grow your crypto portfolio without the need to constantly watch the markets or stress over timing? TrueBlue is an advanced AI-powered trading platform developed specifically for Australian investors who want to build their crypto assets automatically and reliably. Through cutting-edge automation and live market analysis, TrueBlue enables users to generate consistent daily returns, even with no prior trading experience. With potential profits ranging from 100 to 500 Australian dollars per day, the platform operates around the clock, identifying and executing optimal trades on your behalf. There's no need for manual involvement or technical knowledge. The system handles everything for you. And with monthly returns reaching up to 70% for some users, TrueBlue stands out as one of Australia's most trusted and effective automated crypto tools. If you're ready to get started, follow the link in the description to access your exclusive bonus and become one of the first Australians to unlock the full benefits of TrueBlue. TrueBlue runs continuously, powered by advanced AI that scans international markets, identifies emerging trends, and executes trades with speed and precision. The platform is fully automated and built to reduce risk while optimizing profit, whether you're a first-time investor or already experienced in crypto trading. Based on Australian infrastructure, TrueBlue complies fully with AUSTRAC, ATO, and all local privacy and financial regulations. Your personal data and funds are secured through strong encryption and industry-grade protocols. Thousands of users across the globe rely on TrueBlue for generating consistent, hands-free crypto income. It's recognized not only for performance, but also for its clean, user-friendly interface that simplifies crypto investing for everyone. Imagine checking your portfolio each day and seeing steady growth without market noise, trading charts, or complicated decisions. Don't wait. Click the link, claim your welcome bonus, and be among the first to experience how TrueBlue transforms automated crypto investing in Australia. TrueBlue is built on 3 core principles: trust, security, and advanced technology. It's fully compliant with both Australian and international financial standards, including strict anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC policies. The platform connects seamlessly with top exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, and more, allowing you to link your existing crypto wallets and begin automated trading within minutes. The AI algorithms powering TrueBlue are developed by expert fintech engineers and are continuously optimized to respond to changing market conditions, keeping risks low while targeting high-value trades. Need assistance? Our Australia-based support team is available 24/7 to help you, whether you're just getting started or exploring more advanced features. If you're looking to build passive income through crypto with a secure, intelligent, and local solution, now is the ideal time. Click the link, unlock your bonus, and join the first wave of Australian investors using TrueBlue. Discover TrueBlue, Australia's AI-powered crypto bot for smart, fully automated investing.